Hello there. Welcome to another exciting tutorial video on the use of Smart Notebook software to create multimedia presentations for use in the classroom. This particular presentation is about animation, and basically the things I would emphasize would be, well, thing number one, I would say was animation in Smart Notebook is not as good as in PowerPoint. PowerPoint has some pretty slick tools, and it runs very nice and seamlessly. I've had some issues with some animation in Smart Notebook, and to be fair, I don't use it that often as a result. We'll talk about how to get it, and then how you can set it up so it can do whatever it is you want. But you can see it does work if you, I mean, all these things are animated, very exciting. So um, we'll look at how to do some things in animation. First thing we'll do is talk about, well, you need something in order to animate it. So let's go to the regular polygon tool, and we'll get a regular nonagon. We'll make a regular nonagon, and we'll um, we'll fill it in the color purple. Oh, that was the line color. How about we'll fill it with the color purple? Okay, good. Now, there's my regular nonagon. What I want to do is I want to animate it. So in order to animate it, I'm going to click on it and go to the Properties tab. Um, I can either click on the Properties tab over here on the right-hand side where I have my tabs, or I can click on the shape, click the pull down, and click Properties from the pull down menu. Any way I do, this is what comes up. The fill effects is selected right now, and I can change the fill and the transparency, all those things that we've talked already about. But where I want to go is object animation, which is the third little button here. If I go on object animation, um, I get the object animation menu, and it asks what type of animation do I want to do. Well, here's the things I can do. I can make it fade in, fade out, flip around an axis, fly in, fly out, shrink, and grow, or spin. And since it's, uh, you know, roundish, I'll go spin. I always want things to spin counterclockwise. That's a lie. I just came up with that now. And let's keep the speed at, we'll drop the speed to slow. Oh, that's very exciting. And then when does it occur? When the object is clicked or when the page is entered? We'll stick with clicked. Do we want it to repeat? Well, we can have this repeat over and over and over again. You can see forever until the object is clicked again, once, twice, 5 times, 10 times. So basically, we'll just leave it at none for now and see how that affects it. So we've made this now into an object that will animate. If I click on it, you can see it spins nice and slowly, and then it's done. So pretty exciting stuff. Um, One of the things that I think animation is good for is for creating what I'll call a click to reveal slide. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give myself a box over the top of this regular nonagon. I guess I could call it a square. And I'm going to make this square have a green. I've done that twice now. A green fill. Now I'm going to clone this. I should have done it the other way. I'll do it the other way. Delete. So I'm going to go to the animation, and I'm going to give this an animation. Object animation. What do I want it to do? I want it to fade out, and I want it to fade out when it's clicked. We'll leave the speed at normal, and then we'll leave it as none. So why I'm doing that, well, let me show you, is I'll clone this and set it up. So this is an idea, or the basics of an idea. We'll clone it again. That is one that I call click to reveal. Now let's extend this page here. Click to reveal is basically similar to um, excuse me, similar to the concept of erase to reveal, but basically now I'm clicking to reveal. So I've got these 4 boxes. You can see I already clicked one of them, so it's gone. But if I was trying to find something, I could have a student click on a box and it disappears. And then we're looking for that regular nonagon. Where is it? Oh, it's not under that box either. I guess it would have to be Oh, there's the regular nonagon we were looking for. So again, one of those activities that could be kind of cool depending on your class and the students you have. So if I go back and then come back into this, you can see that those boxes do come back and then they're ready to animate again. So very exciting, but that's the basics of animation in Smart Notebook. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.